Well, welcome back, everybody. And all I gotta say is sing to me, girls, sing to me.
Musim gugur di Asia. Asia Noir.
Welcome back to Autumn in Asia, Cambodia style. Hello to everybody.
Hello.
That's what I mean. Hello to everybody. Okay, we're down here on National Road 63, about 12, 13 kilometers south of Siem Reap. And I'm down here looking for a festival, a 3-day festival. Actually, this is on my way back. And I will tell you about the festival, and we'll go and check it out here in just a moment. I just want to say thank you, everybody. You're making my channel blow up, and that's just fantastic. I really appreciate that. Okay, now yeah, all these we'll talk about these floating houses here on the way back. Now remember that area, because we're going to come back to that after I show you what I was looking for. So we'll cross the bridge again, and oh hey, the road is turning into cement again. Oh, we can go a little bit faster now. It's a little bit easier than on that bumpy dirt road. But they're still kind of making that little thingy there. I don't know what you call it, but sure is going to look nice when they're done with it. And now this road goes on for quite a ways, and then it starts getting more and more cracked up and all that. And that may be because certain times of the year it might be very, very wet. It could be underwater actually. And then without any warning, we take the turn here, and oh no, the road stops and it's muddy. Speed up, hurry up, quick, quick. Okie dokie, here we go now. Now this is what I was looking for. They're setting up all the stands and the booths and the tents, and they got the beer stacked up really high, and there's the pagoda and the dancing places, and that's where all the festivities are being held. But I found out that nobody shows up until about 5:30 in the afternoon, understandably, because it's like about 105 out here right now, and there's only crazy people like me out there. But no, driving through here was a lot of fun, because when you hit the shade, it feels like 10-15 degrees cooler, and then when you're back in the sun, it's like hot, cold, and it's really weird. I've never really experienced that before in my life. So here we are out in the Serengeti Plains. Not really, but I am looking out for a lion or a giraffe, but all I see is unfortunately these garbage piles. That is unfortunate, because I do believe this area here in another month or two will be underwater, because the Tonle Sap lake, it's like a breathing lake, and I'll tell you about that in just a second. I was going to get some video of it, but it turned out to be really muddy over there, so I climbed up a tree. No, you don't believe that? Okay, I climbed up one of those things over by the pagoda, and with my super telephoto lens here, got you a little bit of the lake. But no, the Mekong River will put a whole bunch of water down onto the Tonle Sap River, and the Tonle Sap River will actually reverse course, and will fill up the Tonle Sap lake and all these areas. And if you see, these are floating houses, and yeah, it's pretty much makes me humble and very thankful for what I do have. Some people wanted to see off the beaten track, so that's why I'm showing this video right here. And this is the northern part of the village, and you can see they're still up on stilts, and it'd be surprising to find out exactly how high the water is going to get. I understand in about October it's like at its zenith, so hopefully I will still be here, and I'll be able to see if this is underwater also, how high that water is actually going to be. And here's a road heading out of town. I just wanted to show you that not all roads are really bad. Some of them are really good, so this one was good now. And I don't like driving at night, and because this time of year at night it usually starts raining. And anyways, if you're still here, you're one of my #1 fans, and thank you all for everything, and y'all have a great day. Good night.